Riley's first crawl. Her first crawl. You did it. You did it. You got Mom's cell phone.
Good girl, Riley.
Did you just earn your first cell phone?
Good girl, you did it.
Not as quite as exciting once you get it, right? What about such a big deal these cell phones for? Great job, Rye. Good job.
I was gonna put pants on her so she could really go. Maybe she'll crawl to
Riley's first crawl.
Look, here she goes again. Here.
Stop recording this.